Welcome to Disney's beautiful Beach Club Resort. Today I'm going to give you a room tour of a studio with the standard view. But first let me show you around the resort just a little bit. Beach Club Resort has a beautiful lobby. Not quite as big as some of the other Disney resorts, but still beautiful. Heather likes these cool chairs they have here. Beach Club Resort is walking distance to Epcot. You can also stay in Disney Vacation Club villas here at Beach Club. The regular Beach Club rooms and buildings are blue, and the Disney Vacation Club building is green. There are the blue buildings of Beach Club, and they are connected to the gray buildings of Disney's Yacht Club, both located here on Crescent Lake. And across Crescent Lake is Disney's Boardwalk Resort. The water slide starts here on the mast of this ship, goes across this walking path and into Stormalong Bay, which is on the other side of those rocks. Beach Club and Yacht Club share access to Stormalong Bay, the finest pool in all of Disney World. We are here in January, and even in January the gardens are beautiful. You'll find lots of chairs and even rocking chairs all around the resort to relax. Here's another view of the lobby from the second floor. Okay, this is room 5680. It's a standard view room on the 5th floor, which has kind of an interesting view to be a standard view. Let me show you that before I show you the rest of the room. Up here on the 5th floor, this courtyard down below is directly across from the main entrance. And from here, you can look across and see a pretty good bit of boardwalk. There's a friendship boat going out across there. That's probably a better view than I was expecting in a standard view room, honestly. And there's the flowers that I showed you right down there. This room may be a club level standard view, so I don't know if that makes it different or not. As you come in, there's a Keurig machine here, and they have some nice, right now it's January of 2022, and there's some 50th anniversary Joffrey's coffee there. And this device has a drawer, and below that is access to a beer fridge. Right beside the refrigerator is a closet. There is a safe where you can type in 4 digits and lock it, and those same 4 digits will unlock it. Lots of hangers. A couple of bathrobes are in here. An ironing board, more hangers, an iron, an extra pillow and blanket, and a device to put your suitcase on. Directly across from the closet is a nice dual sink vanity with a huge mirror. Hey, how you doing? And looks like below the vanity is some extra towels, and a hairdryer is down there as well. Waste paper basket, lots of towels here, wash rags here, plenty of Disney products, a vanity kit, I'm not sure what that is, mouthwash, body lotion, shower cap, and sea salt facial soap. A lot of those products I've never seen before, and I've stayed in Disney rooms for a long time. Here's some tissues, and right here is a magnifying mirror. Looks like it magnifies on one side and doesn't magnify on the other. Right next door is the bathroom, and there's the toilet. Lots more towels here. This room has a bunch of towels in it. Toilet paper dispenser, an extra roll of toilet paper as well. It's a shower tub combo. It only It only has one shower head. The one we stayed at yesterday at Saratoga Springs had two shower heads to choose from. We've got some more Disney sea salt soap, as well as some body wash, conditioner, and I love this Sea Marine Disney shampoo. And in this room, it's still like it used to be years ago, just in tubes. A lot of the rooms, including the one at Saratoga Springs we stayed at yesterday, has pumps mounted on the wall, but this is still the way it used to be. The bathroom door has a hook to hang still more towels, and across from the toilet is a place to hang still more towels. And on the back side of the door is a nice full-length mirror. As we come out of the bathroom area, we'll come into the main bedroom area. There's a nice seat with storage under it right here. And here is a nice sized television, 45 or 50 inches maybe. And here is a chest of drawers. There's 2 USB plugs, 2 outlets, 2 more USB plugs, and 2 more outlets. And let's see what kind of storage we have. Nice deep drawers, 3 of those, plus a smaller one here and on the other side, and some cabinet space right there. Same drawers and cabinet space on this side as well. Moving down, there's a nice mirror right here and lamp, and here is a desk. This is something that some of the Disney rooms have been going away from. I'm glad this room still has the desk. Here on the desk, there's 2 more power outlets and 2 more USB plugs. Nice sized desk, and looks like a fairly comfortable chair. Oh, what is this? Ah, this is something that you could pull out and have even more table space. That's really interesting right there. Lamp provides plenty of light. Here's a better look at the chair. Really comfortable and attractive. This room has 2 beds. It looks like full size, maybe queen size. It's hard for me to tell which is which, but that's about the size of the bed, somewhere between a full and a queen. And it's nice to have 2. Although you do give up having a couch in your room if you have 2 beds. Each bed has a power outlet beside it, as you can see here. In between the beds, there's a nice nightstand with a phone. Looks like 2 more power outlets, 2 more USBs, 2 nice sized drawers, and a light switch, so each bed can control its own lights. This particular room is kind of in the corner, so it has some interesting architecture right here. I guess that's part of the roof right there, perhaps. The TV is mounted in such a way that it can be tilted to point towards either or both bed. We almost always stay in Disney Vacation Club rooms, and this room is not a DVC room. This is just a standard room, and one thing that I've noticed that's missing is a microwave. While it does have a nice coffee machine and coffee and an ice bucket and cups, this room does not have plates, silverware, and a microwave like Disney Vacation Club Deluxe Studios have. Heather pointed out that the room is also missing a toaster when compared to a DVC room, but as I showed you earlier, it does have a beer fridge. I like the artwork behind the refrigerator. It's Minnie and Mickey flying kites at the beach. Alright, that completes my room tour of Disney Beach Club room 5680. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.